Okay, so how are you all doing? How is the dil? How is the dil?
Yes, ma'am. Doing
Okay, so
very
put
good,
your
ma'am.
hand on your heart. Put your hand on your heart and check your heartbeat. Check your heartbeat. हार्ट आपके पास ही है ना? ये 2025 में रह गया या किसी को दे दिया, हस्बैंड को दे दिया, वाइफ को दे दिया और 2025 में ही रह गया? और इज इट विद यू ओनली? Yes, check it for yourself. Are you guys fine? So, how is your dil? Please write in the chat, everyone. How are you guys feeling? How are you guys feeling? Yes, write in the chat. How are you all feeling? How are you all in this 2026 in the beginning? Yeah, so we have just started. Great, very nice. Good to know that you all are great. Energetic. Wow, very nice. Super duper awesome. Lovely, very energetic. Wow, that's great, 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 great. Very nice. Okay, so now I want you to go to the WhatsApp group. And what is your WhatsApp group? New Me. That is New Me 2.0. Okay, so I'm
Yes.
opening the group and please type there. So, what you have to type there? You have to type designing my 2026 with magic. Designing my 2026 with magic. Please go to your WhatsApp group New Me 2.0. I have opened the group. Go there and type there. Designing my 2026 with magic. So, in this 2026, no doubt, no fear, no judgment, and no confusion. Yes, go to your WhatsApp group and type there designing my 2026 with magic. Yeah, thank you, Sunil. Thank you, Reshmi. Because today we have to do a lot of work. So, kursi ki peti bandh lo, everyone. So, are you guys ready with your notebook and pen as well? So, if you are not ready with notebook and pen, so I want you to grab it fast. I'm giving you 1 minute. So, designing my 2026 with magic. Wonderful. Thank you, Sunil, Reshmi, Ashwini, Funny. Because in this 2026, I don't want any confusion, any fear, any doubt, any low esteem, low self esteem, low self worth. Please mute everyone. Reshmi, Funny. So we will be interacting through chat only. Okay, so through chat only. So in this 2026, I don't want any kitcher picture. No kitcher picture in this 2026. So only JJ and GG. So this is going to be my mantra in 2026. So please write down in your notebook. Bada bada JJ and GG. So what is this JJ and GG? JJ means Jada and Jaldi. JJ means Jada and Jaldi. So we are going to do a lot of work. A lot of work. बहुत सारा, ढेर सारा, ज़्यादा and jaldi. So I'm gonna be the massive action taker. I'm gonna be the massive action taker. I'm gonna be the massive action. That is going to be my mantra in 2026. And what is that GG? What is the meaning of GG? GG means ganda ghatiya. What is the meaning of ganda ghatiya? That means raw work. Whatever I know. So I'll not be running for perfectionism. I'll be running for progress. So, how many of you know that headlight effect? Headlight effect. So, there are two types of people. The first set of people, they say, first you show me the whole path. First you show me the whole 100-meter road. Okay, so then I'll be taking the first step. And the second type of people, they say, you just show me the 10%. I take the first step. Because once you take the first step, the more 10% will be visible. You take more step, you another 10% will be visible to you, right? So whenever you start anything, you start with curiosity. First set of people, they are looking for clarity, the whole clarity. They say, you show me the destination, then I'll take the first step. Guys, no. Whenever there is something like you want to do or you want to start, you just take the first step. You just jump the cliff. You will get your wings on your way. You will get your wings. Believe me, guys. So I also started my journey in the same way 5 years ago. Because what's for me will always reach out to me. What's for me will always find a way to reach out to me. जो मेरा है वो मुझे छोड़ के कहीं नहीं जाने वाला. So no doubt, no confusion, no खिचर पिचर in this 2026. ज्यादा जल्दी गंदा घटिया, whatever it is, I'm gonna take action. I'm gonna take action. I'm gonna take action. So why did we start the session with a lot of energy, with a high note of dance? Because this is what I believe. Your physiology changes your psychology. So sometimes it happens we are not feeling very good or we are feeling sad, right? So at that time, when we change our physiology, it changes our psychology. So we will start feeling better, because that should be your first agenda in 2026, that I'm going to be happy. I'm going to be happy. I'll be looking for happiness everywhere, in people, in situations, in things. I am going to be happy. So there are two emotions very important. The first emotion, happiness, and the second emotion, gratitude. Gratitude. So before we start today's session, thank you, everyone, those who are joining the session, Reshmi, Sunil, Arseda, Halima, Ashwini, and Funny. Because today is Sunday. You had a choice to be somewhere else, but you are joining my session. And it really matters a lot to me. And it speaks volume about you. So take your hands like this. Take your hands like this, everyone, and pat your back. Pat your back. And speak after me. I am amazing. Yes, I am awesome. I am awesome. I am amazing. Very nice, very nice, very nice. मेरा तो जवाब नहीं. Speak after me. मेरा तो जवाब नहीं. मेरा तो जवाब नहीं. Very nice, guys. See, if you stay happy, you can achieve anything in this life. Okay, so I'm giving you one. There are people. So I'm giving you one equation. So please note it down. They want to manifest, or they are writing every time like, I want to achieve this. I want to achieve this. They are writing every time like few goals. So we wrote some goals in 2023. We wrote the goals in 2024. We wrote the same goals in 2025 as well. Isn't it? So same goal, same goal, same goal. So we are not achieving it. Why? Because there is a science behind it. Okay, so first I'll be giving you the context of it. So what we are going to do today. So yeah, we will be doing a lot of work, like we will be writing goal, we will be setting goal, we will be designing goal. So that's why you people are here. Okay, so first let me give you the context of it. So why you people are here, why you are attending this session, because this is what I believe. Solo game is the slow game. Yeah, we can do it by your own as well. You can do it by your own. But if you do something in the community, right? So hold my hand. So take your hands like this. Everyone take your and hold my hand. Kas ke pakdo. Yes. So speak after me. I am with you, Poonam. So you can say, ma'am. You can say, I am with you, Poonam, as well. So I am with you, Poonam. Yeah. So we will be doing together. We will be going together. Yeah. So we will be achieving together.
We'll be achieving together.
Yeah. We will be achieving our goals together. I am with you,
We will be
Poonam.
achieving goals together, and I'm
Yes.
with you,
Very
ma'am.
nice. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. So now the next thing that I want to tell you is, because I already told you, what's for me will always come to me. What's for me will always reach to me. Right? I trust the process. I trust the process. I keep faith in it. Right? And I keep the peace and pace also. And I believe the pace also, whether slow or fast. Because after all, everybody will be reaching the goal. Everybody will be. So trust the process, keep faith in it, and trust the pace as well. And it doesn't mean that you will be like watching the Netflix the whole day. Okay, so we have to do the work as well. Okay, don't start watching. Yeah, ma'am said, yeah, we will be believing the pace as well. We don't have to go like very, very slow. So we are smart people. So speak after me. We are smart. We are smart. Yes, very nice. So this 2026, no fear, only faith. No pain, only power. No wounds, only wisdom. No confusion, only clarity. But we will be going with ease, with flow, and with grace, and with love as well. So are you guys with me? Are you guys with me? Yeah. So I'll be also telling you like some of my personal goals, so how all these things can help you a lot in your life. Okay, so I'll be giving you some small thing which is going to help you a lot. And yeah, so the next thing is, you know, first let me ask you, like, how many people you have already set your goal for 2026? How many of you have already written some goals, and you have written the same goals again and again? Some of you might have written the goals related to your health, that I want to reduce 5 kg weight, I want to reduce 10 kg weight. So that could be your goal. So how many of you have written the same goal? Cut copy paste, जो 2024 में लिखा वही 5 में लिखा वही 6 में लिखा. Cut copy paste. Please write down in the chat box. CCP. पूनम, cut copy paste. CCP. Same goal फिर से वही goal फिर. CCP. Yes, very nice, Ashwini. CCP, same goal. Cut copy paste. Cut copy paste. So what is the mindset behind the goals? What is the mindset? See, so right now, let's say we are here, and our goal is here. So, why people are not able to achieve their goals? What is the energy of the goal? The energy of the goal is very high, very high. And if we have to reach here, if we have to achieve the goal, right? So, what is our energy? Our energy is low right now. And this is the goal. The energy of the goal, the energy of everything which is like positive, very high energy. And what is the mindset behind the goal? Is that we have to do a lot of struggle. We have to put a lot of efforts. We have to do a lot of hard work. We have to do a lot of struggle, because this we have been taught in our school days, in our childhood days, by our parents, by our teachers. So that is the mindset behind achieving the goal. So that's why it is very difficult for us to achieve the goal. But if we go with ease, with flow, with grace, with happiness, because this is what we are attracting. So what is law of attraction? How many of you law of attraction? Some of you might be aware of law of attraction. Law of attraction says, wherever your focus goes, wherever your attention goes, wherever your energy goes, there your energy goes and that thing grows. Wherever attention goes, energy flows and that thing grows. If you are thinking anything negative, okay, so everywhere you will see the negativity around you, in form of people, in form of situation, in form of circumstances, right? So always we say, like, why me, why this is happening to me, why this is given to me, I was not expecting, I haven't done anything, so why me, like we are crying. But what, ask different questions. Instead of asking why me, start saying, what's for me in this situation, what this situation is trying to tell me, what is the thing that I need to learn from here. So that is called law of attraction. Law of attraction, whatever we are attracting, it's because of not them, it's because of us only. We are like attracts like. So if you are generating any negative thought, you will see everything around you negative, in form of people, situation, things. And you will start saying, why me? No, what's for me? So start asking different questions, because quality of questions that you ask define your quality of life. So start asking different questions. Are you guys getting it, what I want to say? Okay, very nice. So that is the mindset behind that. So everything in our life, in form of situations, in form of people, in form of things, that is our energetic manifestation. We manifested all those things. It has nothing to do with them. It has nothing to do with him, or it has nothing to do with her. कोई किसी के साथ कुछ नहीं कर रहा है. कोई किसी के साथ कुछ नहीं कर रहा है. This is your energetic manifestation that you see in form of people, situations and things. कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता किसी के साथ. That is law of attraction. That is your negative energy, which you can see all around. You just need to shift that energy. Okay, so whenever next time you write any goal, any physical goal. So what is physical goal and what is emotional goal? So whenever you write any physical goal, so I want you to write your emotional goal as well. Attach your emotional goal with your physical goal. If you want to manifest your goal, then only you will be able to achieve that goal. So physical goal means, like, if I say I want to earn like 5 lakh rupees per month. I want to have a beautiful relationship with my in-laws and with my husband, or with the people around me. And you can say, I want to reduce 5 kg weight. All these things, whatever I'm telling you, all these things are physical goals. In physical like world, all these goals are there. And what is your emotional goal? Like if I say I want to earn 5 lakh rupees per month, so what is my emotional goal? So you have to attach that happiness. How would you feel if you achieve that goal? You start earning that 5 lakh rupees per month. How, what is going to be your energy? So you have to attach your, whenever you are writing any goal, so what's your energy? So that is going to be your emotional goal. Are you happy whenever you are writing, or for the sake of writing, yeah, I have to reduce 5 kg weight? So that too you wrote in 2000 like 3 also, 2023 also, 2024 also. But you didn't manifest, because what's your energy when you are writing the goal? So whenever you are writing any physical goal, attach that emotional goal as well. That means attach your energy as well. Energy of happiness, energy of freedom, energy of like laughter, humor, happiness. Right? So then only, so I'm giving you one equation, so please write it down in your notebook. This is really like game changer. This was really a game changer for me, so please write it down. Intention, intention plus attention, intention plus attention plus alignment equal to manifestation, equal to manifestation. So if I say I want to earn that particular amount of money, what is that? What is that? That is my intention only. Whether I'm giving my attention to that, whether I'm taking small steps for fulfilling my desire or not. Because without attention, that is just a desire. That is just that I want. That is just a wish. Right? You have to pay some attention over there. If your attention is not going there, so law of attraction again, wherever your focus goes, attention goes, energy flows. Then only you will start giving your energy also. You will start taking small steps also. And after that, alignment. And what is alignment? Your state of being, your state of being. Alignment, because before alignment, before action, alignment should be there. If you are not aligned to your soul, to your being, why we are called human being? We are doing a lot many things for this human. Everything, whatever we are doing, that is materialistic in this physical world. We are running after money. We are living in a beautiful house. We are wearing the clothes, right? Everything whatever we can see, that is physical. Are we doing anything for this being? So what are we doing for this being? What are we doing for this being? You are attending Poonam ma'am's session. Because that is the first agenda. Why did we come here on this planet Earth? Why did we come here on this planet Earth? To grow. To grow. If we are not growing, we are dying. If we are not growing, we are dying. Please write it down. If we are not growing, if we are not learning, we are dying. We are degrowing. Because that was the lesson that we came here to learn, to evolve. Because right now what we are focusing on the problems only. So I want you to like draw a dot on your notebook, on a paper, on a plain paper. Write a dot. Please draw a dot, and you look at that dot. Look at that dot. And now, while looking at the dot, you start making it big. Start making it big. Start making it big. Make it big. So what are you doing? You are focusing on your problem. Okay? So when you are looking at that dot, you are looking at your problem. So what is happening? Your problem is becoming big. Because wherever your focus goes, wherever your attention goes, that thing grows. If you are focusing on your problem is increasing. But when you evolve, when you become better, so when you evolve, your problem dissolves. So start focusing on your evolvement. So you evolve. When you evolve, your problem dissolves. So how do you evolve? By learning. So when was the last time, when did you learn something? When was the last time when you when you read any book? Did you read any book in last 10 years, 15 years, or 20 years? So that is called evolvement. When we read something, when we write something, when we learn something new, that means we are evolving. And that is very important, because that we are doing for our being. For this human, we are doing so many things: earning money, living house, wearing clothes, running after this, having car, beautiful bungalow, all these things. All these things are materialistic things. So we should do something for that being as well. So that I wanted to let you know, because that is very important. Okay, so whenever you write any goal, so attach some emotions as well. If I want to have that beautiful relationship with my husband, so what are you going to feel when you have that beautiful relationship? Yeah, I'll be feeling blessed, I'll be feeling fulfilled, I'll be feeling satiated, right? So I want to reduce 5 kg weight, so add that emotion. Yeah, if I reduce 5 kg weight, so let's say if my weight is 65, I want to be 60 kg. So, like, I'll be very happy. I'll be very happy if I achieve that 60 kg weight. Okay, so start being happy about that. Start some like writing emotional goal as well. Whenever you're writing any physical goal, with physical goal, emotional goal as well. So, what is your energy? Okay, and what does it mean to you? On Tuesday 7 p.m. I have a session. Because I am also learning all these things from, because you already know me, like I was teaching grammar and now I have started teaching. I'm the life and mindset coach now. Okay. So I was sitting with Siddharth Rajshekar. I don't know how many of you know that honor of success Gyan. So Tuesday I have session. Every Tuesday I have session with him. So he was showing a notebook. And what was the cost of that notebook? It was of 5,000 rupees. Okay. So he told that when I started my journey as a coach in 2020, in 2018, 7 years back. Okay. So he didn't have a lot of money in his bank account. So he was also struggling from that time. So from that time, he was writing his goals in that 5,000 rupees wala notebook, and he was writing with the 60,000 rupees ka pen, with that 60,000 rupees ka pen as well, at that time when he didn't have that money. So see how serious was he about his goals, about his desire. So that kind of serious we should have that seriousness when we want to achieve that goal. So how serious we are, so we should be happy about that. So he was very happy. Yeah, I'll be achieving this. I'll be. उसको पहले से ही clear था, because there are two types of people. The first set of people like Sachin Tendulkar. So he knew from his childhood that yeah, I'll be achieving this. I'll be making that century. I'll be achieving this award and this kind of money. And second set of people like Poonam Taneja. Okay, so if you asked me like 5 to 6 years back, so what is your goal? So I'll be like, goal? I'll be like Tare Zameen Par. If you ask me like 5 years back, what is your purpose? What is your passion? What is your mission? What is your vision? So I'll be like, यार इतने भारी भरकम वर्ड मत बोला करो. I don't understand all these things. Okay, so are you getting what I want to say? So there are two types of people. So what type of people you are? Right, so there are some visionary people. Yeah, they people are visionary people like Sachin Tendulkar. Right? So now, like we are also working. So first we have to write some goal, then we have to attach that emotion if you want to fulfill that goal. Right? So now, the next thing. Because you cannot achieve your goals, you cannot achieve that abundance with that lack mindset. You cannot achieve the new reality with that old mentality. You cannot start speaking English fluently if you have like fear. Every time you are thinking about fear, so you have to change your mindset. If you're thinking every time like negative, I'm very fearful, I have doubt, I cannot do it, I'm not good enough. So what are you doing? So you are repeating all these things in back of your mind. It is going to your subconscious mind, and that is the thing that you see every time in your life, because you are repeating. So what is belief? Belief is something that you repeat again and again, again and again, again and again. Like बचपन में हमने सुना बिल्ली रास्ता काट जाती है तो कुछ बुरा होता है. राइट? सो दैट बिकेम आर बिलीफ, वो हमारा बिलीफ बन गया। अभी बिल्ली के साथ कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, बिल्ली के साथ कुछ नहीं होता है। इफ यू रेज योर एनर्जी कुछ नहीं होता, मुझे तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला। So you have to raise your energy, because whatever you are repeating, I'm not good enough, I'm not good enough, I'm not good enough, I'm not confident, I'm not confident. So what are you doing? So you are making your belief. So how you can change your belief? So there are two types of belief. The first set of belief, limiting belief, the belief that limit you. Is it serving you if you are repeating again and again, I'm not good enough, I'm not good? Is it serving you? No. So क्यों रखा है? Leave it, drop it. Take your hands like this and drop it. Take your hands like this and drop it. I'm not good enough. It is serving you? No, it is not serving you. Drop it. I can't do it. Drop it. Right? And empowering beliefs. Yeah, I can do it. I am more than enough. I can do it. I will be doing it. I will do it. I have to do it. So start speaking positive things. The way you send so many negative things, it became the part of your subconscious mind. If you start speaking positive things, that will also become the subconscious, the part of subconscious mind. It will change your belief. So you have to change all your limiting beliefs to empowering beliefs. So what I want you to do is, in your notebook, so you have to write 10 limiting beliefs, whatever you believe which is not serving you. Okay, so left hand side, all 10 limiting beliefs, and right hand side, you have to reverse that belief. So let's say you have written, I'm not good enough, limiting belief. So right hand side, what you have to write is, I am more than enough. If you are writing that women cannot make money or men cannot make money, it's up to you. Yeah, I can make money easily and effortlessly. So you have to reverse it. Are you guys getting it? 10 limiting beliefs which is not serving you, and stop repeating it, because that you don't want. If you know what you don't want, so it will give you clear idea that what you want. Are you guys getting? So जब आपको पता चलेगा कि क्या क्या आपको नहीं चाहिए, you will get the clarity कि आपको क्या चाहिए. Because right now what we people are doing, we are thinking something else, feeling something else, and doing something else. Head, heart, and hands. H, H, H. If you want to write down, you can write down as well. H, H, H. Head, you are thinking something else. Heart, feeling something else. Hands, doing something else. Doing something else. So what I want to say is, so what we people are doing here by doing this, we are making the universe confused. We are making the universe confused कि आपको चाहिए क्या. Universe is also thinking, यार सोच कुछ रहा है, बोल कुछ रहा है, कर कुछ रहा है. Because your inner game will change your outer game. So you need to work upon your inner thing. Inner thing. Your inner creates your outer. So what are you inside out? What you people are inside out? If you are different from inside out, you will not be able to manifest. Why you people are not able to manifest? Why you people are not able to achieve your goals? Because you are different inside out. Right? So you need to work upon your inner thing if you want to change the game of your outer. So start doing some inner work like gratitude. So daily start writing 10 gratitude. Like funny, I don't know, funny is writing. So we
Yes, ma'am.
last year
Yes,
in
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
2025 in December.
I'll write, ma'am, and it will work very. I mean, I was shocked, ma'am. I
Hmm.
write down. I want to do journey alone.
Hmm.
So I did my journey with my friends, ma'am. I
Yeah, very
really
nice, very nice.
enjoyed. Yes, it will work. Works,
Yeah,
ma'am.
it
I
works. It
highly
works
recommend.
wonder.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
if we start, so there are two very important things. So two emotions, feel good and gratitude.
And,
Feel good,
yes,
इसको तुम
ma'am.
मंत्रा बना लो अपना 2020 में. I have to feel good. That should be my first priority. Feeling good should be my first priority. And second thing, gratitude. Gratitude for people, gratitude for things. Because what you are, If you are grateful for what you already have, God will give you more reasons to be grateful for. Because a heart of gratitude is a magnet of miracles. A heart
Yes.
of gratitude is a magnet of miracles. So if you are grateful for whatever you have, so let's say you have 5 rupees and you want 5 lakh rupees. Okay. So if you are not grateful for that 5 rupees, God will never ever give you 5 lakh rupees. First, you have to be grateful for what you already have. Okay. So be grateful for the things, for the people. Okay. And one more mantra. What's the new principle in 2026 for me? That is laughter and humor. Laughter and humor. So I'll be happy at all times. Can anybody be happy at all times? The answer is no. But can anybody be happy most of the time? The answer is yes. At least we can try. If you start trying, everywhere you will start seeing happiness. In small, small things, छोटी छोटी चीजों में खुशी ढूंढो. खुशी ढूंढो. How? I told you, I don't know, funny को बताया नहीं. One day I was like taking the tea with my husband, and there is this cup in my house that is of white color, और उसके ऊपर ना जैसे वो गोल्डन लाइन है, गोल्डन लाइक वो जैसे क्रेविंग होती है ना, वैसा वो प्रिंट है उसके ऊपर. एंड आई वाज लाइक, वाओ व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल कप आई हैव. How blessed I am. यार कितना beautiful
Yes.
cup है. So like you start seeing the beauty around you. Whenever I open my balcony in the morning, I say, wow, yaar,
Oh,
Jannat. It's like really beautiful. So you
yes, ma'am.
start doing it. Fake it till you make it. कि कैसे
Yes.
करें? Don't sit with that, sad faces and every time. Because see, happiness should be the first agenda in 2026. अगर आपको अट्रैक्ट करना है हैप्पीनेस, एवरीथिंग अराउंड यू, इफ यू हैव टू अट्रैक्ट दैट abundance in form of people, situation, so you have to start happiness. You have to start being happy. Then only you will be able to attract happy people, happy situations, happy things everywhere. Happy, happy, happy. That should be your agenda. That yes, I'll be happy, because like attracts like. Whatever goes around comes around. What you sow, so shall you reap. All these things are same. All these things are same. So laughter and humor. If something is working for me, it's God's blessing. If something is not working for me, it's God's preparation. If something is working for me, balle balle. If something is not working for me, balle balle. Got it, everyone? Got it, everyone? Now the next one. Whenever you see anything positive, जब भी कुछ भी छोटा सा भी कुछ अच्छा दिखाई दिया. Let's say I'm taking session. If my husband comes and if he says, yeah, Poonam, would you like to have tea? So, wow, यार, I'm so lucky यार, कितना अच्छा हस्बैंड है यार, क्या चाय पूछ रहा है मेरे को. वो बनाए ना बनाए, वो बात की बात है. So now in Delhi it's very cold, and if he comes and asks like, Poonam, do you need heater, should I switch on the heater for you? I'll be like, oh wow यार, कितना caring है, कितना loving husband मिला है. Like start seeing happiness everywhere, and it's up to you only. If you like deliberately, if you like consciously start seeing, you will be able to see. Earlier me, I was like nothing is working for me, why me, kind of cribbing and crying and blaming and complaining and criticizing and judging people. वो तो ऐसी he did this to me, she did this to me. So I was also like that one
But
year
ma'am,
one year ago.
but
Yeah,
but
Sunil.
ma'am, if we start this small happiness na,
Hmm.
front people will feel like that कि वो यार मने मस्का मार रहे हैं. That negative
Hmm.
people will take it negatively, and they will feel that कि
You
वो
call
मस्का
them,
मार रहे हैं.
आप भी मारो, fake it
Yeah.
till you make it. अभी अभी नहीं आ रहा है तो एक दिन आ जाएगा. ओके, अगर वो नेचुरल हैप्पीनेस नहीं आ रहा है तो वो आ जाएगा. फेक इट टिल यू मेक इट. आई वॉज टेलिंग इन वन ऑफ माई सेशंस, आई डोंट नो, डे बिफोर yesterday or yeah, somebody said कि people don't listen to me, my husband doesn't listen to me, my kids don't listen to me. Guys, again, it has nothing to do with them. Take your hands like this, everyone. Yeah, we will be doing it together. So this was my answer to her as well. So I said, yeah, do it like this. Take your hands like this and run. Run, everyone. Run, everyone. Very nice, very nice. Bhago, sab. Okay, so now let's imagine there is this beautiful cage, golden cage in front of you. Okay, and there is this key inside your pocket. Take out your key. Take out the key of this cage. Open the lock. Open the lock. Open the cage. Get inside. Get inside. Close the door. Close the door. Lock the gate. Lock the gate and keep the this key into your pocket. Okay, so now stand like this. Now you are in the cage. Are you guys getting? You are in the cage and start speaking after me. You did this to me, you did that to me, you did this to me, this is because of him, this is because of her, this is because of them. Ooh, ay, ooh, ee. And then Poonam comes. Poonam comes and Poonam says, take out the key, open the lock and come out. And you are like, no, मेरा husband नहीं सुनता, मेरी wife नहीं सुनती, मेरे बच्चे नहीं सुनते, मेरा ये नहीं सुनता, वो नहीं, बच्चे पढ़ते नहीं, ये यार what is this? आप अपनी सुनते हो? आप अपनी सुनते हो? हेल्थ गोल लोगों जिन्होंने हेल्थ गोल लिखे हैं, I want to reduce 5 kg, I want to, so today is which date? 18th January. How many of you have started going to gym? How many of you have purchased that yoga mat? How many of you have started doing exercise? Cheater. So speak after me. I am the cheater. Speak after me. Yes, I am the cheater. Are you not cheating yourself? Yeah, you people are cheating your own self. If they people are cheating you, then you are making, he did this to me, she did this to me, they did this to me. So you are also cheating yourself. Those who want to reduce weight, I'll be starting taking balanced diet. I'll be sleeping on time. I'll be waking up. I'll be going to the park. I'll be going to the gym. So what are you people doing? You are cheating yourself. So you are the cheater. So never ever blame or complain anybody that they did this to me. Everybody is doing. So people mirror. They are the mirror. They are showing us the mirror. And now the next thing that I want you to do is stop people pleasing. What is people pleasing? What is people pleasing? So let me give you one example. Let's say my husband wants to see India Pakistan match, okay, and I want to see Kapil Sharma, okay, and I say no, we will be watching Kapil Sharma, okay, and he says no, I want to see that India Pakistan cricket, okay. So he says this to me. What I'm trying to say him, you don't please yourself, you please me. Are you guys getting it? I'm telling him you don't please yourself, you please me. And what he is trying to say me, that you don't please yourself, you please me. कि आप वो देखना शुरू करो और मैं उनको बोल रही हूँ कि आप मेरे वाला देखना शुरू. What I'm trying to say is, मैं उनको बोल रही हूँ कि नहीं, that is called people pleasing. And if he doesn't watch that Kapil Sharma show with me, so I'll be saying you are bad. Okay? You are bad. He will be saying, no, you are bad. You don't listen to me. You don't listen to me. Okay? So that is called people pleasing. So now we are saying good basket, bad basket, good basket, bad basket, good basket. So do it with me. Take your hands like this. Take your hands like this. Good basket, bad basket, good basket, bad basket, good basket. If people are not good, that means they are bad. No. So what we have to start saying in 2026 is good basket, different basket. Good basket, different basket. Good basket, different. The people are different. Are you guys getting it? Okay. So what I'm trying to say is acceptance towards me from me. जैसे आप अपने आप को accept them as well. Accept them as well as they are. I accept the people as they are. Because this is what I want. I also want that people should accept me as I am. So you should also accept the people as they are. So people are different. So acceptance towards me choosing me and acceptance towards them choosing themselves. So let them choose themselves and you choose yourself. So people are different. So don't make them like you. Accept them as they are. The way you want yourself to be accepted. आप भी यही चाहते हो कि वो आपको ऐसे ही एक्सेप्ट करें. Okay? So now,
So, ma'am, what will be the solution of that Pakistan-India cricket match and Kapil Sharma show?
so do you have 2 or
So,
3 TVs? Yeah, इस टाइम मेरा देख लेते हैं, अगली बार आपका देख लेंगे.
yeah,
Mutual
yeah,
understanding. Mutual
yeah, mutual
understanding.
understanding.
Or you go to
Yes, yes.
another room. You switch on the another TV. Okay, so that is a solution, right? So now, and there are people, they say like, so sometimes they say that I feel rejected. So I already told you like what you have to do. Okay, so you have to open the cage, you have to free yourself from you. So I free myself from me. I open the cage and I will come out. And I free them as well. The most beautiful for the relationship. I release you from me. I free me from me. I release myself from me. And I release you, from my expectations. So which are the cages that you are locking in to you? अपने आप को कौन कौन से केजेस में बंद करके रखा है? So you have to think upon that. Find it for yourself. And now the next one. Okay, so this is done. Yeah, so this also I told you that you have to, that new principle that I'll be deciding to look love everywhere. Intention plus attention plus alignment, that is manifestation, because your alignment creates the manifestation. So be aligned, be aligned. Because what will happen if there is one misaligned soul? Okay, so what is misaligned soul? That means somebody is shouting, somebody is very angry, somebody is doing something like shouting and angry, and that means that is misaligned soul. Okay, and you also become misaligned with that person. So what is happening? Two misaligned soul. Is there any solution for this? No, no. So you have to raise your energy so that they can also start raising their energy. You don't have to come to their energy. Okay, so one more example I would like to give you. So let's say you are in grade 4, then I'll be giving you 10 questions. Okay, then I'll give you 10 questions. So we will be like designing the 2026. I'll be giving you 3 minutes for each question. So it will take half an hour more. Okay, so what is this example? Let's say you are in grade 4. Okay, you are in grade 4 and you are given the problem of grade 6. Will you be able to solve it? No, no. Okay, so when you are in class 10, when you are in grade 10, then you are given this same problem of grade 6. Will you be able to solve this problem? Yeah, very easily. So speak after me, ma'am. This is very easy. Very easy. Okay, so if you are in grade 4 and you are given the grade 6 problem, it is difficult. When you are in grade 10 and then you are given the same problem of grade 6, it would be very easy. So what's changed? What changed? You changed. You evolved. So you have to evolve your problem to be dissolved. Are you guys getting it? Okay, so you need to evolve if you want your problem to be dissolved. Right? So now, are you guys ready? Ready to design your 2026 with ease, with flow, with grace, with love. Right? So show me a smile, everyone. Show me a lovely smile. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so first question, please write it down. Write it down in your notebook. So what is going to be the theme for 2026? What is going to be your theme for 2026? What is your theme that you are going to follow in 2026? So please write it down for yourself. I'm giving you 2 to 3 minutes for this. It could be like I have written, deep in, deep out. I want to experience me. तो मुझे अपने आप को और जानना है. आई वॉन्ट टू एक्सपीरियंस माई पावर्स, आई वॉन्ट टू एक्सपीरियंस माई स्ट्रेंथ, आई वॉन्ट टू नो मोर अबाउट मी कि पूनम तू है क्या, what is your power, what is your strength. I want to explore more about me by reading the books, by getting knowledge, by getting the wisdom. Okay, so that I'm already doing. So deep in, deep out. If I want to change my outer game, I will have to change my inner game. So what is the mantra, what is my theme for 2026? That is deep in, deep out. I have to work upon like these areas. Okay, Now, it could be like massive action taker. Yeah, I'm going to be massive action taker this year, 2026. Whenever I'll be getting any opportunity, I'll be grabbing it. Right? Next, it could be massive content creator. That is also my theme for 2026. You must have seen that from 1st January, उससे पहले भी बना रही थी मैं reel, but after 1st January, I started making daily one reel. Okay, and I'm posting it on social media, Instagram, everywhere. Why I'm doing this? Because I'm the massive content creator. What does it mean? I'm learning something, I'm implementing it, I'm internalizing it, and I'm sharing it so that it becomes a part of my subconscious mind. Do you all know that 2080 2080 rule? 2080 rule. 2080 rules is 20% consumption, 80% creation. So what I was doing earlier when I was not growing, I was just consuming and consuming and consuming. मेरा उल्टा था. मैं कंज्यूम कर रही थी बहुत, यूट्यूब के वीडियो देखे, इतने सेशन अटेंड करे, ये आई स्टार्टेड क्रिएटिंग इन दिस 2000 डेली आई एम मेकिंग एंड आई एम पुटिंग दैट कॉन्सिक्वेंस ऑफ इट. इफ आई डोंट मेक द रील, आई विल बी गिविंग 500 rupees in charity. Do I want to give the charity to 500 rupees? No, I don't want to. Better I make the reel. If you put a consequence to it, you will be doing it. आप करोगे उसको. अभी मुझे 1st January से लेके अप टू 31st January तक मुझे पूरा 30 रील बनाना है. इफ देर इज नो कॉन्सिक्वेंस आई हैव टू गिव 500 rupees. सो पुट द कॉन्सिक्वेंस इफ यू वॉन्ट टू अचीव समथिंग. अगर ये मैं नहीं करती हूं ना, बिकॉज डिसिप्लिन इज द की टू सक्सेस. इट विल कीप यू डिसिप्लिन्ड, राइट? एंड perfectionism is the sucker of confidence. वो आपके कॉन्फिडेंस को सक करता है. परफेक्शन, डोंट वेट फॉर द परफेक्शनिज्म कि वंस आई विल बिकम परफेक्ट देन आई स्टार्ट मेकिंग द रील्स. नो, वट एवर यू नो, हेडलाइट इफेक्ट जितना सा दिख रहा है ना, टेक द स्टेप, another 10% will be visible. Take the step, another 10% will be visible. Jump the cliff, you will get the wings on your way, believe me. Okay, so that you can do. And laughter could be your theme. Financial freedom, that could be your theme. Action over overthinking. Yeah, Poonam, stop thinking and take action. Stop thinking, take action. Stop thinking, take action. Earlier I used to blame, claim, criticize a lot. कि मेरी सास ऐसी, मेरा ये ऐसा, मेरा वो ऐसा. Now तो I put the gun on my head and I say, Poonam, shut up. फिर उसी रास्ते पे जा रही है. So whenever you think anything negative, whenever anything negative comes to your mind, put your gun on your head. Yeah, Sunil, again? Reshmi, again? Funny, again? Okay, so put your gun. कोई नहीं आएगा आपको बताने के लिए. यू हैव टू कीप योर गन विद यू एट ऑल टाइम्स. अपने आप को रोकने के लिए यू शुड बी योर सेल्फ मोटिवेशन. नेक्स्ट, second question. Have you written the first question? What is your theme for 2026? The next question is, what's your goal you want to achieve? It could be in any area. It could be your health goal, your financial goal, your like relationship goal. Health goal could be I want to reduce this much of weight, and relationship weight goal could be I want to have a beautiful relationship with anyone, whomsoever you like, you want to. It could be your like money goal. I want to make this amount of money up to that time. You can write 3, 4, 5 goals as well. It's up to you. But what is your non-negotiable goal? That you have to write at the top. जो भी आपका नॉन नेगोशिएबल कि इसके बिना तो मेरा काम ही नहीं चलने वाला, दैट यू हैव टू राइट एट द टॉप. Write down your goals that you want to achieve. And I have already given you the formula: intention, attention, alignment, manifestation. Otherwise, again, you will be writing the same goals in 2027. And I don't want that. I want you to achieve all your goals, whatever you have in 2026. I have given you the formula. Intention, it should not be only the intention. You have to pay attention and you have to be aligned. Before action, alignment is very important. Because if you are not aligned, तो क्या होगा? All these things like health, wealth, everything is secondary. Everything, alignment first. alignment जो है वो आपकी ट्रेन का इंजन है. इंजन के वो इधर उधर हो गया तो all the things will be derailed. So alignment first. So please write it down, all your goals, whatever you want to achieve. And what is that one goal that is non-negotiable that you can write at the top? That also could be your one of the goals. I'll be loving myself. I'll start loving myself. Because self-love is not being selfish. It's something very important. It's also like you are aligned with your own self. Now, question number 3. Question number 3 is, let's say you achieve that goal. Okay. So once you achieve that goal, what evidence do you see? What evidence do you see? Just let's say my goal is to earn 5 lakh rupees per month. Okay. So I'm giving you one example. So do you see that amount coming in your bank? Coming in your bank. So do you see that amount coming in your bank? So that is like evidence. What evidence do you see? So that you have to write. What evidence do you see? So let's say you want to reduce 5 kg or 10 kg. Do you see yourself in that perfect weight? So like relationship goal, you are writing something related to I want to have this beautiful relationship with my husband or family or in-laws, whatever. So do you see that happy family, happy relationship? Do you listen, laughing everyone, beautiful relationship, sitting together, taking tea and traveling a lot? So what evidence do you see once you have achieved your goal? So it's called like visualization. Because if you want to manifest something in your life, you will have to visualize beforehand कि ऐसा है. In present, yeah, I see that 5 lakh rupees coming into my bank account like easily and effortlessly. I see the evidence. So once you achieved, what evidence do you see? How does it look like? How does it, कैसा लगता है वो? क्या क्या evidence आपको उसके लिए दिख रहा है? And isolate your goal, not journalize your goal. What does it mean? That means we can't say, let's say we have to go somewhere. We can't say, भैया चलो. Cab driver को बुलाया, भैया चलो. So he'll be asking ना कि जाना कहाँ है? So don't make that universe confused कि सोच कुछ रहे हो, बोल कुछ रहे हो, kind of. So if you go to any restaurant, any hotel, so like the waiter will be asking. He will ask like, what do you want? So we can't say, भैया खाना लाओ. So don't make him confused कि क्या चाहिए आपको. So isolate your goal. If you isolate you will be more focused. The better chance you will achieve it. If you journalize your goal, less chance you will achieve it. So that is also very important. So like I want to earn 5 lakh rupees. So do you see myself sitting in the session? Sitting in the session, opening the laptop, people are joining, people are happy, people are enjoying my session. I am taking like visualization. Do I see it happening every day? So we have to visualize the things. That is called evidence. What evidence do you see? So it should be in present, yeah, as if it is already done. It is happening in front of my eyes. So how does it look like? Now the next question, the fourth question is, how do you feel? How do you feel knowing when this goal is achieved? अभी आपका goal achieve हो गया. How do you feel knowing that your goal is achieved? What's the feeling? What does it bring to you? आप फील क्या करते हो? डू यू फील ब्लेस्ड? डू यू फील फुलफिल? डू यू फील कंटेंटेड, सेशिएटेड, हैप्पी, लाफ्टर, जॉय? So how do you feel? So how does it look like? How does it feel like? Do you feel safe, secure, fulfilled, magical, amazing, awesome, wonderful? So you can write all the positive things, whatever comes to your mind. I feel like I am the creator of my life. I feel abundant. I feel blessed. So you can write more things as well later on. Now, the fifth question. The fifth question is your beliefs. What are your three disempowering beliefs related to your goals? Whatever goals you have written. Okay. So if you have written money goals, so what are your disempowering beliefs related to money? Like you can write money doesn't come to me, like money is very hard to earn, money doesn't stay with me, paisa pedon pe nahi lugta. So this is your belief. So whatever beliefs you have related to money, if you have written that money goal, wealth goal, so what are your three disempowering beliefs? And if you have written that relationship goal, any relationship you want to improve, so what is your three disempowering beliefs related to relationship? And if you have written health goal, so what are your disempowering beliefs? Three disempowering beliefs. Because this is where we people are stuck. So I already told you beliefs, two types of beliefs, disempowering or empowering beliefs. So you have to write three disempowering beliefs. Yeah, if you are writing money belief, so and if you are thinking money is very hard to earn, I cannot do sales, I cannot do marketing, money doesn't stay. You know, people have 72 money beliefs. I was reading money beliefs, 72 money beliefs. I was reading this belief, oh my God, yeah, 72 beliefs. So this year you have to protect you from you. I protect me from me, from my negative beliefs, from my disempowering beliefs. So you have to protect yourself from you. और किसी से protect नहीं करना. You have to protect yourself from you only. Right? So you have to write like you want to speak English fluently and you are thinking you are very fearful. I can't do it. I am not good enough. मुझे तो English का E नहीं आता, communication का C नहीं आता. If you are thinking like negative, I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. So shift. Okay, so what are your disempower, whatever goals you have written, so you can write that goal as well. I want to speak English fluently, correctly, impressively and confidently. So don't be fearful. Now next question, question number 6. And question number 6 is, what is the skill set, what is the skill set that you want to commit to build this year? What is that skill set that you want to commit to build this year? 1 to 3 लाइफ स्किल्स और प्रोफेशनल स्किल्स, कहाँ आपको काम करने की जरूरत है? लेट्स से यू वांट टू स्पीक इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली, impressively. So where you need to work upon, you need to work upon your communication skill, you want to work upon your fluency, you need to work upon your grammar. So what is that skill set that you want to commit to build in this year, in 2026? आप उसके लिए कर क्या रहे हो? What is that skill required? कौन सी स्किल आपको चाहिए? Like competency, it could be competency, you need competency. What are you doing for that competency? Like now I'm the life and mindset coach, right? So am I taking the session, I'm working on my competency? Am I learning something about like belief system, limiting beliefs, like relationship mastery, emotional mastery? Yeah, I'll have to learn now. So, what are you doing for your competency? What are you doing for your confidence? If you want to build your confidence. So, what you people are doing for your confidence? And if you want to improve your relationship, what you people are doing for improving your relationship? Have you invested any money on your relationship? Are you attending any sessions? Because that is very important. Otherwise, how are you going to learn? If you want to work upon your emotions, you are being angry, you are being agitated, you are being frustrated. So are you learning how to control your emotions? Because there are many emotions. Fear. What is fear? Fear is just the anticipation of the thing that you repeat again and again, which is not there. Right? Anger is there, fear is there, guilt is there. All these things are emotions. So are you learning how to control these emotions? So what is the skill set that you want to commit to build in this 2026? That will be related to your goal only, whatever goal you have written. Because 15% only goes to your hard skill and 85% goes to your soft skill. All these things, whatever I have spoken right now, all these skills are soft skill that we haven't been taught in the school days. किसी ने नहीं पढ़ाया. How we have to earn money? पढ़ाया किसी ने? No. How we have to deal with our relationships? सिखाया किसी ने? No. That is soft skill. How to build the confidence? सिखाया किसी ने? No. How to build the courage? Because all these things come under 85%. And we have learnt only 15% in our school days. रट्टा मार मार के घोटे मार मार के वो इतना स्ट्रगल इतना ओ माय गॉड इंजीनियरिंग कर लो डॉक्टरी कर लो दिस एंड दैट एंड व्हाट अबाउट लाइफ स्किल how to control emotions that is life skill how to build confidence courage that competency that is soft skill we had to work upon that 85% but nobody taught us that is the irony okay so now so you work upon this skill so you can write down 3 or 4 skills that you are going to work in this 2026 so start investing on yourself so that you can learn and never ever be the cheap to the path of your growth because these are your growth areas where you need to work upon right now the next question the seventh question is what is going to be your circle of your power what is going to be your circle of your power what does it mean circle of your power so write down the names of 5 people who who give you the energy who give you the energy write down the names of 5 people who are energy givers and write down the names of 5 people who are energy drainers energy givers and energy drainers 5 people who drain your energy 5 people who give you the energy और ये बाहर नहीं होंगे आपके घर में ही मिलेंगे एनर्जी ड्रेनर्स भी इट कुड बी हस्बैंड और वाइफ और किड्स और इन लॉज डोंट स्टार्ट सर्चिंग आउटसाइड and energy drainers and energy givers both could be same as well उन्हीं लोगों से एनर्जी मिलती भी है और एनर्जी वही ड्रेन भी करते हैं so write down the names of 5 people who drain your energy write down the names of 5 people who give you the energy so what is going to be your circle of your power so you will get that clarity you will get that clarity that we don't have to go too close to the people who drain our energy and we have to go too close to those people who give you the energy so you will get that clarity in this 2026 okay so be aware of that you have to go too close to your power of circle right and sometimes it might happen that energy drainers like people are like husband and wife and we cannot go far away from them like physically but at that time we have to go far emotionally and mentally फिजिकली नहीं हो सकते इमोशनली तो हो सकते हैं Okay, if somebody is being angry, okay, so go to another room and play the song of Sukhveer Singh and start dancing, because that should be the first agenda. Happiness should be your first agenda in 2026. Alignment. If you are aligned, you can achieve anything in your life. If you are losing yourself, यार अपने आप को खो के क्या ही पालोगे? If you are losing yourself, what are you going to achieve in your life? So don't lose your alignment. Alignment, soul के साथ, human plus being, human being, right? Okay. So go closer to the people who respect you, who stretch you, who strengthen you, and go away from the people who pull you back, who drain you, who keep you in your old identity. Because with that old identity, you cannot create new identity. With that old mentality, you cannot create that new reality, right? So energy suckers and energy givers. Clear? Clear? Now, next question. Next question is, what is your environmental design for your emotional goal? What is your environmental design for your emotional goal? Please write it down. Emotional design. Emotional design is, sorry, environmental design. What is your environmental design for your emotional goal? Whatever goal you have written. So, what is your environmental design? What does it mean? That means, let's say I'm the coach. Okay. So, do I have that proper chair, proper table, proper laptop, proper lighting, proper video, proper audio, speakers, everything? So, that is called environmental design. Do I have the support from my family? So, that is called what is your environment? Because that also matters. If you want to achieve something in your life, what is your environment? What is your environmental design? I'm a coach, so I'll be looking out. I'll be looking for these things. My laptop is working properly. Proper light should be there. Proper chair, proper table. Everything should be in that way. If you have written like you want to reduce weight, so what is going to be your environmental design? Do you have that yoga mat? Are you getting up early? Are you sleeping on time? Are you taking that balanced diet? Are you taking that healthy food? Are you drinking like 8 to 10 glasses of water? Are you keeping yourself like hydrated all the time? So that is your environmental design. Do you have that kind of clothes that you can go to gym, right? So each and everything matters in your environmental design. So if you want to improve the relationship, that is your goal. What is your environmental design? Are you trying something for that, for learning something? So what is your effort? If you want to improve the relation, what is your effort? What are you going to do for that? So what is your role in improving that relationship? So that is your environment. You have to create that environment so that you can improve the things around you. Because everything around you is your energetic manifestation in form of people. Nobody is doing anything to you. It's your manifestation. There are people, they say, I have toxic husband or I have toxic wife. Nobody is toxic to you. That is your manifestation. So you must have seen, if you don't like somebody, if let's say you don't like somebody and you have to go to that place. Okay, so let's say you don't like somebody and you have to go to their place. It could be your any like relatives. So let's say I don't like somebody and I have to go there. So what I will be doing, I'll start feeling in my mind, or like I don't want to go there, I don't want to go there because वो ऐसे बात करती है, वो ऐसे बात करता है, kind of. Yeah, it happens if you don't like somebody. So before reaching, we didn't reach there. So before reaching there, we will start like something in back of our mind. यार वो तो ऐसी है, I don't want to go there. और आप वहां जाओगे and she will say something. She will say something and you will feel hurt. You will feel hurt. So she didn't do anything. You did that thing to you because that thing was already there inside you. You had that fear कि वो बोलेगी, वो बोलेगी, वो बोलेगी, वो बोलेगी, वो बोलेगी, और उसने बोल दिया. It has nothing to do with her. they people are showing you your unhealed part. The unhealed part is there already inside you. They people are just the trigger. They are triggering and you are just dancing. You are just dancing. Why you people have given your remote control to somebody else? Why the people have the power to control you? Are you a puppet? Okay, they people are just pressing and we are just dancing and dancing. Take your control back. Why the people have power to scoop out anything from you? Why have you given that power? So take your power back. Okay? Because nobody is doing anything to you. You are doing everything to your own self. Now, the next question, the ninth one. One more is left only. Ninth question is, what's the price? What's the price that I'm ready to pay? What are the things that I'm ready to sacrifice? What is the price that I'm ready to pay? And what are the things that I'm ready to sacrifice? Like, I'm the coach. I have to sacrifice many things. Many things. Sometimes I have to like sleep very late. So yesterday also I told you when I was preparing these notes that I have to teach these things because I have learned all these things from my mentor, and I also wanted to teach all these things to you as well. So I was working till late, so I have to sacrifice. I had to sacrifice कि मैं रात को 2-3 बजे सो रही हूँ. So whenever you want to achieve something, so you will have to sacrifice something. So what price are you going to pay? Are you ready to pay some price for that? Are you ready for that sacrifice? But from the place of love. Because that I am doing from the place of love. मुझे अच्छा लगता है करना. Making notes, taking session, attending session. So I'm loving it. Otherwise, what is the need? Why I have to do all these things? Why I have to do all these things? I have 3 houses. 3 houses. तीनों तीनों मेरे नाम पे है. तीनों मेरा. I don't have to do anything in my life. But I love doing it. It gives me joy. It gives me like I just enjoy. So that's why I'm doing it. Why I'm reading a lot of books? Because I love reading books. अदरवाइज देर इज नो नहीं मुझे क्या जरूरत पड़ी है मैं अपना फैमिली के साथ एंजॉय करूं आउटिंग करूं ट्रेवलिंग करूं दिस एंड दैट व्हाट इज द नीड so what you people are doing for you for your goals for your desires are you ready to do some sacrifice are you doing some sacrifice yeah everybody has to do whatever goal you have written related to that right so if you have written like want to reduce 5 kg or 10 kg yeah you will have to put your heart and soul you will have to get up in the morning you will have to go to gym you will have to pull up and do the push-ups and strength training and this training and muscle training so many things you will have to do right and if you have to improve your relations you will have to do a lot of work क्योंकि रिलेशनशिप वो मास्टरी करने में तो लाइक it takes time and you can heal all your relationship with the help of gratitude only gratitude is most important thing if you want to heal yourself if you want to heal your relationships if they had known better they would have done better first you have to fill your own cup you cannot fill the cup of others with the empty cup of yours अगर आपका खुद का कप empty है you cannot fill the cup of others with the empty cup of yours first you will have to fill your own cup are you guys learning show me your thumbs up are you guys learning कुछ मजा आ रहा है कुछ सीखा okay nice so now now the last question is in 2026 I commit to become the version of me in 2026 I commit to become the version of me who dash 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 this question is going to take time in 2026 I commit to become the version of me who dash 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 so you can write anything and you can write like one page 2 page who is confident, who is courageous, who is competent, who is like you can write anything, whatever you want to be, whatever you feel like you are. You want to see yourself. What do you want to see yourself? So that you have to write. Who, कौन है वो जिसको आप 2026 एंड तक आप देखना चाहते हो. यू हैव कंप्लीट 1 year. इन 2026 I commit to become the version of me who is confident, who is courageous, who is disciplined. If you want to reduce, who is disciplined. So you can keep on writing on and on and on. It's up to you. You can write everything. Now, so what I have written is, in 2026, I commit to become the version of me who does not abandon herself. जो अपने आप को कभी नहीं छोड़ने वाली, जो अपने आप को बहुत अच्छे से प्यार करने वाली है. और बिकॉज अलाइनमेंट फर्स्ट. सो अभी तो हमने क्या किया, अपने आप को ऐसे कस के जकड़ा हुआ है. तो जकड़ो सभी अपने आप. यस, डू दिस विद मी. जकड़ो. अभी बोलो, मुझे उड़ना है, 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 मुझे उड़ना है. विल यू बी एबल टू फ्लाई? नो. सो हाउ विल यू फ्लाई? यू विल हैव टू ओपन अप. यू विल हैव टू ओपन योर सेल्फ. खोलना पड़ेगा, देन यू विल बी एबल टू फ्लाई. सो इस साल अपने आप को जकड़ना नहीं है. फ्री योर सेल्फ, लव योर सेल्फ, हग योर सेल्फ. हग योर सेल्फ एंड से आई लव यू मेरी जान. कैसी है? कभी कभी अपने आप से भी पूछो, जैसे अपने हस्बैंड को पूछते हो, बच्चों को पूछते हो, सबको. यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर ओन सेल्फ. यू शुड बी लाइक योर फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी. देन ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू डू समथिंग. इफ यू आर नॉट हैप्पी, अपने आप को कोके कुछ नहीं पा सकते. इफ यू आर लूजिंग योर सेल्फ, यू वॉन्ट बी एबल टू अचीव एनीथिंग. So take 100% responsibility of your life. So do it with me. Speak after me. Take your hands like this. Take your hands like this and speak after me. I take 100% responsibility of my emotions, my feelings, my actions, and my outcomes. I take 100% responsibility of my actions, my emotions, my feelings, and my outcomes. I take 100% responsibility of my actions, my emotions, my feelings, and the outcomes, because it has nothing to do with others. Done? So now at the bottom of the paper, write down your name wherever you have made these notes. So please write down your name. Like I have written Poonam. Write down your name and write contract signed me with me. अपने नाम के पीछे लिखो, नाम के नीचे लिखो contract signed me with me. So this is the contract that you have signed with your own self, that yeah, I'm going to be the better version of me who is confident, courageous, whatever you have written. And that you have to do, sit for yourself. If you can do it with ease, with flow, with grace, and with joy, with love. Okay? Yeah. So we are done. Thank you so much, guys, for joining.